Hi guys, so today I thought I should come like that to meet you guys. This is Ahsan and you're watching Super Engaged. I've already posted like 3 videos in my channel, and if you're interested, I'll put the link in the description. So so today's video I'm about to show you a ride on a ferry, a ride on a scooter, and my hostel tour is that much. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, let me tell you something. I will look for you, and I will come for you, and I will find you. You know that this is taken part one from Niam Leeson. So, yeah, okay, all jokes aside, let's get into the video. Yep. This is basically a hop on, hop off ferry which go to different places.
Here, you can get
And
to Pakistan
yeah, there are different
the biggest wholesale
sites which you can visit, all of them together one by one.
It also
Starts I think in the morning up to 8:30 in the evening. You're gonna pay like 200 baht
and function.
and you can visit like unlimited trips. Yeah, with that. Yeah, and then you can cover all of them.
阿波西提，他们喊到提，他们喊到提，啊，旁边提跟过去的乱他嘞，他就
Sun
说
is
哦，你们都不到วัดพระเจ้าถ้าเจอวิธีการเอาเป็นทีอ่ะเป็นแฟนปัจจุบันมหาราชปลาทะเลมีทะเลรอยัลทะเล
Super strong.
ตาหัวโป่
Yeah.
งผู้โดยสารที่ประสงค์จะขึ้นท่าเรือเข้ามา
It
I'm going upstairs. Yeah. Let me show you the pool from. Actually, it's a staircase. Yeah. This is my hostel, and there are like plenty of other rooms, as you can see. Yeah. How many floors are there? I don't know. But it's cool. I heard this hostel a lot. I've seen videos like YouTubers, travel bloggers. They've been admiring this hostel. Seems like it's a good place, to stay if you're traveling solo.
Deze? Ja, dat is toch een handig.
Hi guys, this is my room, and I'm gonna show you around. And this is my roommates. What's your name?
My name is Babs.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah. Yours?
Bobby.
Yours?
Hi, my name is Evie.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. And I wanted to show you the room, and yeah, this is it. See you. Oh, okay. If you like this video, subscribe, thumbs up, share with your friends, and let them share with their friends. Remember, I'm gonna see you another time. Until then, bye.